Hello friends, welcome back to our channel ProMonk. I hope you are all doing well. Before we start, let me quickly remind you, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your support is the fuel that keeps us motivated to bring new mobile reviews, tips, and updates every single day. So, make sure you watch this video till the end, because today we are going to explore a phone that might be the perfect fit for you if you were looking for something stylish, reliable, and budget-friendly, the OPPO A3X. Now friends, let's be honest. Whenever we hear the name OPPO, the first thing that comes to our mind is design. OPPO has always focused on creating phones that look premium and attractive, even in the mid-range or budget category. And the OPPO A3X proves that perfectly. At first sight, you will feel like you are holding a much more expensive phone. Its glossy back panel with smooth curves shines beautifully under the light, and the build quality feels solid yet comfortable in the hand. It is lightweight, which means you can easily carry it throughout the day without feeling tired. For students, office workers, or anyone who uses the phone continuously, this is a big plus. Talking about the display, the OPPO A3X comes with a large screen that is bright, colorful, and vibrant. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, enjoying Netflix, scrolling through Instagram Reels, or reading articles, the experience is smooth and pleasant. The viewing angles are wide, and even under bright sunlight, the display remains visible, which is something not every budget phone can deliver. If you love watching dramas, movies, or sports on your phone, you will enjoy the visuals of the OPPO A3X. Now, performance is something people often worry about in this price range. But with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, the OPPO A3X handles everyday tasks quite well. You can switch between apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube without facing major lag. The 128GB storage is another blessing. You can store thousands of pictures, videos, and apps without thinking twice. And if you are a student who needs documents and notes on the phone, this storage will never let you down. For heavy gaming like PUBG or Asphalt, of course, it's not the top choice, but for casual games and daily multitasking, it works smoothly. Let's talk about the camera. The OPPO A3X has a decent rear camera setup that captures sharp and bright images during the day. The detailing in photos is surprisingly good for this segment, and the colors look natural. For selfies, the front camera is reliable enough to give you clear photos and decent video call quality. If you are someone who posts on social media frequently, this phone can give you the results you want without too much editing. Battery is another highlight of the OPPO A3X. It comes with a big battery that can easily last an entire day on normal use.